Welcome back to Automotive, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive news. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a luxury sedan that blends cutting-edge technology, sophisticated design, and top-tier performance. This latest iteration of the E-Class takes refinement to a whole new level, ensuring that it remains one of the best choices in the executive sedan segment. The exterior design of the 2025 E-Class features a modern yet timeless look, with sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and a sculpted body that enhances aerodynamics. The seamless integration of luxury and sportiness is evident in its flowing lines, while optional AMG styling packages add a more aggressive touch. The vehicle sits on multi-spoke alloy wheels, and the rear design is completed with sleek LED taillights and a refined bumper. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that redefines luxury. The cabin is equipped with a massive MBUX Superscreen, stretching across the dashboard to provide an immersive digital experience. The latest version of the MBUX infotainment system includes AI-powered voice commands, real-time navigation, and seamless smartphone connectivity. The materials inside are top-notch, with premium leather, wood, and aluminum trims enhancing the ambience. Ambient lighting with customizable colors creates a futuristic feel, and the seats offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions for ultimate comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Class offers multiple engine options, including turbocharged 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder variants, with mild hybrid technology to improve efficiency and performance. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures excellent handling and stability in all driving conditions. For those seeking extra power, the AMG-tuned variants deliver exhilarating performance, combining high horsepower with precise driving dynamics. The transmission is a smooth 9-speed automatic that enhances fuel efficiency and acceleration. When it comes to technology, the 2025 E-Class is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system make driving safer and more convenient. The digital key function allows you to use your smartphone to lock, unlock, and even start the car remotely. Additionally, the car is equipped with an advanced sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio, ensuring an enjoyable ride for both the driver and passengers. Comfort is a major highlight of the E-Class. The suspension system is tuned for a smooth and plush ride, absorbing road imperfections effortlessly. Rear seat passengers are treated to ample legroom, soft-touch materials, and advanced climate control settings. The trunk space is generous, making it a practical choice for long journeys or business trips. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is designed for those who seek a perfect balance.